Hi, welcome back to Excel Passioneer. Today we are going to see quick steps to plot a stock chart in Excel. Let's type the stock name from date and to date. As we have typed 365 days, we have decided to check 1 year's data. Let's format the date format to easily understandable format. One year historical data has been collected. Now, it's time to plot the graph. Select both columns that containing data, then click on Insert tab, then click on Line or Area Chart. Price range shown is too large actually, the range is between 200 to 360. So, let's change it to the same numbers as high and low for the graph. We can also change the color of the graph. In cases where we want to change the duration from 1 year to 1 month or 2 or even 6 months, it's possible to change on the formula itself directly. You can see that the graph is automatically changing according to the time frame provided. We can also change the upper and lower price limit according to the chart's time frame we are looking at. Thank you for watching this video. Please click like button, comment on this video and more importantly subscribe to this channel for more videos to come. Excel passion.